Okay, welcome to Amya channel. Today we are going to do revision for CBSE 2021 exam. Chapter is triangle chapter. MCQ question from there we will start. My students are also start to answer. They are very eager. So let's see the first question. It's a multiple choice question. So first question is this. I'll increase it so that everyone can see the question. Ready everyone? First one. Start children. In triangle ABC and EDF, triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF, then which of the following is not true? It is not similar to DEF. It is not similar to DEF. In exam, if these type of questions will come, then I want you to answer it very cleverly. We have to keep two books together. Till now, nobody gave answer. Should I give answer? Okay, Saranya is giving option D. Saranya, think one more time. कौन आया था माँ? Okay, Bhumi is telling answer D, B, Kirtimaya B, Dinesh A, Saranya C. Okay, Saranya has changed her answer. She's telling, beta, in this question, it is exactly, they're asking different question. It is exactly telling not. Please put emphasis on that, not. Okay. Okay. Now everyone is telling answer C. That is the correct answer. Correct only. Now Saranya said answer C. Pavitra said answer C. Okay, beta. Now AB is exactly proportional. So once triangle is proportional, you see that sides ABC, ABC. You see the format and it is written as EDF. Shortcut way to understand AB by EF. Sorry, AB by ED will be equal to BC by DF will be equal to AC by EF. Okay, now here, which one? BC is multiplied to DE, BC is multiplied to DE, and AB is multiplied to DF. So this is exactly going proportional. So which one is not proportional? That we have to check. So C is the answer. Now let's go for the next question. Ready, everyone? That is what I told. AB by ED is equal to AC by EF is equal to BC by DF. So this is exactly coming proportional. That's why option A is the correct one. So, and first and last. So which one is wrong is answer C. Rest of the all are correct. Only answer C is wrong. Next question for 1 mark. Let's see who will give the answer this one. Okay, who started? Who started? Wait. Let me check. Let me check. Bhumi is saying, okay. Saranya is Pranjal. Pranjal is saying A, B, C, D. Pranjal. Saranya B. Pranjal. Anyone is correct. Pranjal, stop playing, beta. Tell me seriously, which one is correct, Pranjal? Saranya is telling A is correct. Yes, the correct option is A. Correct answer is A. Pranjal is correct. Adit is correct. Kirtima is correct. Wow, very nice. Today boys are answering. So today boys have opened their account and they are answering the questions. Very good, beta. That means the correct option is A. Super. But how this is correct? Let's see. AB by QR. AB QR. Then BC. PR. B2C. P2R. Opposite it is going. CA. P2Q. ABC. No. CAB is coming correct. CAB correct. Then PQR. You see the trend PQR. CAB PQR. You see the arrow trend, beta. Auntie, my keyboard is malfunctioning. That is why I am giving 2 times. No problem, Saranya. Your answer is correct only. So it is exactly which one is the correct answer? A is the correct answer. Super. Very good. Shall we go for next question? Everyone understood? That is what, beta. If you will apply this trick, it will come correct only. Okay. If you will apply this trick CAB PQR, it will come correct. Now, shall we go for next question? See this question, question number 3, and try the question and say the answer. It's the easiest question. Bhumi is telling answer D. Angle PBA. Very easy question. Angle PBA. That is 50 degree, 53, 80. Then this one will become 90. Correct only. Bhumi, option D. Any other one? Anyone else? Read the question and say which option. Sarina is giving options D. Kitima is giving option D. Next. Pavitra option D. Okay, only these many children have given the option. Yes, it is correct only. If this will become 50 degree, fine. And after that, they are telling if this is 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, proportion part you check. If you will check the proportion part, if this is 30 degree, then which one will be? Because they told PBA. PBA, this one the angle told. So this one will become 90 degree. This is 50 degree. So this one will become 30 degree and this one will become 100 degree. Because 50 and 30 is 80. 80 plus 100 will become 180. Yes, but angles and property you have to use here. You see here 80 and 30 is coming. Sorry, 50 and 30 is coming 80. Then one angle is left and that is coming as 100. So 180 is coming. Okay, let's go for the next one. Next one, beta. Which of the following is not true? Here you read the question properly. Here the question is telling which of the following is not true. I am repeating the question, which of the following is not true? Let's see, Kirti Maya is telling first one. Check one time beta nicely. Kirti, go for similarity and then check beta. Because this is tricky type questions. These questions you will do mistake. So try to avoid mistake. Check this one nicely. Now look here, DEF and PQR in two triangles DEF. Now we will write triangle DEF and triangle PQR. Angle D, we don't know, but angle D is equal to angle Q. And angle R is equal to angle E. Okay, that means angle F is equal to angle P. Now see which one is matching, that will become proportion. Now look here. This one and single one. So definitely DE by QR will be equal to FD by PQ, and that will be equal to okay. Okay, Saranya is telling, Bhumi is telling. Okay, Kirtima has given answer B, correct. Bhumi answer B, Saranya answer B. All the three. Can you show the other two options? Okay, but the other two options is missing now. Sorry, sorry. Here if EF will be there with PQ, EF and PQ. I'll change it because look at DE, DE and QR is correct. After that EF, PR. I wrote that one two times, EF, PR. And DF, PQ. So the correct answer, Pranjal, now after doing this, it will become very easy. The correct answer will become B. Okay, very good. Let's go for question number 5. Question number 5. So what is the answer for this question number 5? Tell me the answer for question number 5. Okay, till now nobody answered. Bah, very good. Kirti Maya B, Bhumi B, Pavitra B. Super, very good, awesome. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B only. So all of you are correct. What is P, dear? Now how it is correct? Now let us check. A, B, C. A, B, C. I'm very clever, so I will write D, F, E, which is congruent, which sides are exactly coming proportion. That only I wrote. Angle A is equal to 30. Angle C is equal to 50. Then this one will become, angle B will become 100. Okay. Now AB is 5 centimeter. So since DF is there, D will not be 100. F will be 50, correct? Because I wrote according to the trend only. So it is 5 centimeter. AC is 8 centimeter. And DF is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Then how much it will be DE? What will be DE? If this is 8. So ratio will go 5 by 7.5, 0, 10, 2 by 3. So 8 by 12 is also 2 by 3. So here 12 will be there. Okay, so the correct answer is B. Awesome, very good. Approximately 12 auntie, not correct value. Yeah, approximated 12 we will be checking. Correct only it is coming now. Look here, 50 by 7.5. So decimal will go up. So 50 by 75 will come. So 2 by 3 ratio is coming. So this and this 5 by 7.5 is coming. 2 by 3 ratio. That means 8 by that number will also come. So you can write also 8 by x is equal to 12, because 8 by that number will be equal to 2 by 3. Ratio has to be maintained. So what this number will become? X is equal to 2 by 3, sorry, 3 by 2 into 8. So 2 4s 8. So 3 4s are 12 will come. Okay, beta. But the correct answer is this only. The correct answer is option is 2 only. And look here, whatever proportionality is given, na, very cleverly I followed that. A, B, C, D, F, E. Then D will also become 30 degree. This one will become 50 degree. And this one will become 100 degree. And here is, if it is 5, this is 7.5. So this side will be proportional to this. So 5 by 7.5 will come. BC by FE will come. And AC by DE will come. That is 2 by 3 ratio. Okay. Now question number 6. Solve question number 6. It's a very easy question. 1 mark question. Bah. Super. Kirti Maya has given answer C. Bhumi answer C. These two children has given answer C. Now let's see who can answer. You can change your mind also. You can change the answer also. Pranjal is telling both B and C. Okay, very diplomatic answer, beta. If you will put Pranjal is saying now, also Pavitra is telling both B and C. It is not Pranjal, it's Pavitra. And Pranjal is telling 100% C. He has not given one C but many C's. Very good. Anyone else? Others are also there in group, but everyone is not answering. Please try to answer question. Okay, let's see. Again, they have given that ABC and DEF. So I don't know, but AB, according to the proportion, I will go. AB and DEF is there, na? So DE. They both are proportional. Then BC proportional to FD. BC proportional to AB, DE, FD. Okay. Now, third side proportional will be there, but most important thing here is, beta, now which angle is equal to? So angle A is equal to angle D. B option. You see arrow nicely. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B. So this arrow is coming here. This arrow, it is exactly covering angle B, and this arrow is covering angle D. Now tell me which one is the correct one? That in between these arrows, angle B and angle D is exactly getting covered. So which one is the correct answer? Angle A is equal to angle F? Not sure, we don't know. Angle A is equal to angle D? Not at all. Angle B is equal to angle E? It is not inside the arrow. But in between these two arrows, following the process, angle B, and here the arrow is coming as this. So shall we write angle C is the correct answer in shortcut? So angle B is equal to angle angle B is equal to angle D. The correct option is C. Super, very good. Okay. Now fill in the blanks question. In triangle ABC and DF, angle B is equal to angle E, angle F is equal to angle C, and AB is equal to 3 times DE. Then two triangles are dashed but not congruent. What will be the answer? Let's see who can give the answer. They cannot be congruent, beta, because one side is very good. The correct answer is Saranya has given the answer, Bhumi has given the answer. After that, who gave the answer? Saranya, Bhumi, Pavitra, Kirti Maya. All four of them has given the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 children has given the answer. It is similar. Kirti Maya, Pavitra, Bhumi, Saranya, everyone told it is similar, and similar is the correct answer. Super, fabulous work. Very good. How much I have to move, that much I have to check. Otherwise, I'm showing that. This answer cannot be hidden. Just check this question, beta. I'm not giving the explanation, but answer is 6 centimeter. Or correct, Saranya, previous question, angle, and other things are not required. But beta, for this question number 2, if a ladder is 10 meter long, reaches a window 8 meter above the ground, then the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is? Definitely, it's a very easy question. Use Pythagoras theorem to find the answer. It is coming 6 meter. Pavitra is telling by Pythagoras theorem. Correct, Pavitra. New Pythagoras theorem. Okay, go for this question. Question number 3. Let's see who will answer. Correct, Pavitra. Answer this question. No cheating. Tell me the answer of this question. Two similar triangle perimeters are given. Then ratio of the areas of two triangle is 49:81. Kirti Maya, correct. First Kirti Maya, second Pavitra, third Kritika. Auntie. Hey? Auntie is not the answer, Kritika. We have less than 1 minute. Again, we have to rejoin. The correct answer is 49:81. Yes, Danish. Correct answer is 49:81. Saranya is telling 49:81. Danish, Kirti Maya, Pavitra, Kritika, Kirti Maya only said. Okay. 49:81 is the correct answer. How to get it? Better the perimeter of two similar triangles. It is exactly given 35 by 45. That is 7 by 9 perimeter.